Hello everyone, that's just Penny, and today I am introducing the Buffaloed kit for Bible journaling. This is a Bible margin art and devotional, and the scriptures come from John 4 and Romans 12. This is the cutest little set that I think that I have created and put together. I want to thank the artist over at Creative Fabrica. Thank you so much. And digitalscrapbook.com and all the other resources. And I want to thank you all for sharing your artwork with us. And here are this is the preview. It has the devotional. The devotional is quite different this time. It is actually a little booklet. And this is the cover. Here's the cover. Here is the back page, which is page 5. And this is the side. So it kind of goes together. There is an insert. This is the insert. This is pages 2 and 3. This is pages 1 and 4. So you're going to put this page cover number 5 on top of this one. This is 1 and 4. So they glue together like so. Do not try to print these back to back. It will not work. It'll be off just a tiny little bit, I think. And everyone's printer is different. So yeah, it will be off just a tiny little smudge. So I tried my best to get it, but it's still not quite. It's like 2 centimeters off. So anyway, so cover and the 5 is the first page, and then 1 and 4 gets glued together. And then the insert actually gets folded here. It can make a pocket, and this is your glue tab. And what you're going to do, you can either glue it here, or what I had in mind is that before I glue these together, I'm going to slice this and put this inside there, and then I'm going to glue these together. So check out the video to put these together. I will do a process video on this later. Here is an extra sheet if you want to make your own and add more pages and possibly make it a little journal as well. So there are blank pages. Here is the margin art example, or if you want to put this in your journal, it is a belly band, and you can add the elements behind it, the journaling cards, to make it a belly band. Now, the sermon came from a pastor in Mount Vernon, Pastor Shannon Parkinson. So that's where the sermon buffaloed, the term that I got from him, was buffaloed. And this bison is a combination of several different layers. The image I had to rework to make it a actual buffalo. It was a type of bison it's Scottish. So I tried to, I readapted. Made a beautiful frame. Of course, you can use these in any paper craft, but the belly band, and then you have, as you can see, this fits on top and so on. So it's a layered type activity creation. Here are the margin arts for the 2-inch and the 4-inch. Now, obviously, some 4-inch Bibles are longer. Mine is a full sheet. So there are papers if you want to create. There's a background paper if you want to create your own margin art for the full length of your Bible. This one is just over, it's like 7 or 8. I can't remember. I think it's 8 inches, I believe. But anyway, so this is the journaling cards. Normally I print this on cardstock. However, I want my Bible to be not super thick with all this cardstock, so I decided to print on regular paper this time. You could always use these to add on to the margin art as well. Stay tuned for the video on how I'm going to put this little devotional together. It's quite cute. It's a little like a little booklet. Of course, you can add more pages to make it a journal. And of course, you can add junk to make it a junk journal. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the preview of this kit called Buffaloed.